Hi. And I'm back. I'm back. Really quickly, y'all. I'm back. I just want to hop on here. It's been a while. Tool people. I wanted to hop on here real quick. Show you something that not a lot of people may be aware of. I was looking for workarounds for batteries, and what do you know? I found it, an adapter, so I could use my DeWalt batteries on a Makita device. You can get different adapters found on Amazon. They're cheap. They're beautiful. Let's say I'm leaving Makita tools at home, but I've got DeWalt on my truck because, you know, I like DeWalt. A couple of my few viewers know that. Oh, yeah. I want to inflate, right? I got my inflator. I left my Makita battery at home. Check this out. Chickadee, check it. Adapter. This adapter is for DeWalt to Makita. Pretty cool. But you want to put it on the battery first, I found. Don't put it on the device first. You take it. I got this 8-hour battery. Feels good. That's what she said. Then look at this. Look at this. Chickadee, check it, yo. Mind blown. Could blow you right now with this information. Turn it on. Look at this. I got my 8-hour battery on there. You put any of them on there, really. Let me tell you something, folks. Let me just blow your mind further. Gonna blow you once more. You can get adapters for pretty much anything, from what I've seen. If your flavor is Milwaukee, that's fine. All right. Well, you soy boys out there, you're in luck. If you want to use, you know, whatever you want to call it, cross-platform battery situationship there, or battery situationship there. So, and once again, for the people that just tuned in, or ain't nobody tuning in, put it on the battery first and then on the device. It just seemed to work better, at least with some of the things that I have. Well, first of all, look at this. Take this 8-hour battery. You can't do it. Put it on the battery first. Take it off. Slap it on the battery. Give it a little slappy poo, little like that. On your device. What could be simpler, really? Now, like with my vacuum, I have two. I have like almost like a dust buster like this one here. This is usually what I use it for. Slide it on the battery and then slide it on. I've got the other Makita vacuum, but it's got a lid, and the lid wouldn't shut if you had all that situation tip on there. So I just use this one. I'm just letting you know that I got a whiff the other day from someone at work that not everybody knows about those. And I think it's worth making a video. 1 or 2 people might watch it, that's fine. Go get one, adapt a battery to something else. It's great to have options. You got further options for your batteries. It's a great tool to have, and so I must talk about it. And that's important enough for me to make my wife late seeing my father-in-law. And, you know, I'm married. You know, you can't get their hopes up too high that you're going to be perfect. So you gotta, you know what I mean? Relationship goal, no, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I wasn't going to make any more tool videos. I think I'm going to make more. Don't know when. I don't know what about, but it will happen. So suck on that. And bye.